Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Soidan Usrat Jaha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another video and our today's topic is behavioral equilibrium and evolutionary dynamics. I will try to give a brief description on this topic. Hope it will help you understand it better. Behavioral equilibrium helps us to understand how economic behavior evolves over time when individuals are not perfectly rational. The key idea is that equilibrium is not reached instantly. Instead, it emerges gradually through learning from past experiences, imitation of successful strategies, adaptation to changing environments. This makes the model more realistic. For behavioral versus classical assumes that perfect rationality happens, full information is provided, instant optimization. While behavioral introduces bounded rationality, people use simple rules, decisions are influenced by experiences, strategies behave like biological traits. Where successful strategies spread over time, unsuccessful ones disappear. In the replicator dynamics explains how strategies evolve mathematically. The idea is that if a strategy performs better than average, it grows. If it performs worse than average, it declines. So behavior changes continuously based on relative performance. In the above graph, we can see that logistic growth. At first, a successful strategy grows quickly over time, but after some time, the growth slows down and stabilizes as it becomes dominant. Here we have a payoff example. So this graph compares, the above graph compares two strategies, the one with higher payoff increase in share while the other declines. So this visually explains how evolutionary selection works. Here we have another payoff comparison graph which shows that there are two strategy payoff where we can see that if equilibrium occurs, then we have this payoff comparison graph. So this framework is widely used in economics, in financial markets like Harding behavior, macro models like TSGE, social norms and behavior. So behavioral equilibrium shows that equilibrium is not assumed, rather it is emerges through learning, imitation and adaptation. For stability, equilibrium occurs when all strategies earn the same payoff. There are two types of payoffs. Equilibrium, which is one is stable equilibrium, which returns to balance after a shock, and another one is unstable equilibrium, which moves away after disturbance. So this was all for today. Hope it helps all of you guys, and if you have any question you can comment it below. Thanks for your patience.